I had some leftover popcorn from going to the movies this afternoon. I watched A Dog's Purpose, awesome movie. Killing time now, doing some shopping. Well, we're in the future Hobby Lobby Plaza, the former Kmart, and look to my left, Seagulls. Let's see if they'll come for some popcorn. Problem is it's windy outside. It's blowing against, my window, so the popcorn's not going very far. Y'all like my popcorn? Yeah, look, as you look at the birds, you see some of them with, brown spots on their wings and around their body. Those must be the young gulls, the young juvenile seagulls with their immature, plumage. Sorry guys, that's all the popcorn that I have. Enjoy your stay in Athens. Y'all are beautiful birds. We like having you here. Something scared them off. Well. Hope it wasn't me that scared them off. And hope y'all enjoyed the video.